everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a quick Incredible Hulk pose. So to begin, we'll put in a circle right here. This is the arm or limb that is in the foreground, and oval right here. Then go along to make an arc like that. Brows first. Let's just put the bald head in first. Small nose. High and smaller, sometimes even bony cheekbones. The jaw that usually goes, it's square underneath here, so keep that as flat as possible, but I've chosen to go with a partly open mouth and not necessarily a scream, and there is a bit of the teeth showing right there. Okay, so there are the ears, and then give him some eyebrows right there, some skin folds right there, and collarbone running in on either side, muscular structure on the delts rounding it up, and then some lat structure right there, some neck muscles, and you should be off to the races. But then of course we forgot my choice of hair usually with this guy is like closer to the, not exactly the same, but something like the classical version. And there we have it. So that was a quickly put together Hulk sketch. So that is the primary sketch. Now from here on, your mileage can vary. It's all up to you how many veins you're looking to do, what carnage you want to show behind him, like maybe some rubble will just amp up the picture right there, and what kind of shading you are looking to throw in to complete this guy's image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you with this sketch and to work out certain details on your own end. And thank you very much for watching. I hope this was of some help. Please do subscribe and keep in touch, and have yourself a wonderful day. So I'm going to complete and round up, however, the rest of this by putting in as many details as I can, but again in speed mode. I'll be doing this very quickly because it is still a sketch, and I'm not necessarily making this a commission or making this into finer art. So just some ideas of light and shade that you will enjoy going through. Thank you very much.